Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most exciting updates from Adobe for Premiere Pro. If you've ever needed just a few more frames for that perfect cut or transition, or wanted to brainstorm creative concepts faster, these new generative AI features will make it easy. Let's jump right in. I've included a download link for Adobe software in the description below. Grab it to follow along with the tutorial. To use all the features, you need to have Adobe Premiere Pro Beta. So go to your Creative Cloud app and click on Apps, then go to the Beta section from here. Look for Premiere Pro Beta and click on Install if you don't have it installed. Since I have it pre-installed, this is why it is showing me an open button, so let's open it and see what's new. 1. Generative Extend in Premiere Pro first. Let's talk about Generative Extend, a groundbreaking new AI-powered feature in Premiere Pro currently in beta. This tool, powered by Adobe Firefly Generative AI, automatically adds frames to the beginning or end of your video clips. Whether you need a few extra frames to hit that perfect beat or smooth out a transition, Generative Extend does the hard work for you, seamlessly filling in the gaps. No more awkward cuts or scrambling for extra footage. It's like having an assistant that takes care of the tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. You'll find it right in the toolbar, making it super easy to access when you're fine-tuning your edits. This feature is made by and for video professionals, and the best part? Firefly is trained on content Adobe has full rights to, so it's commercially safe. You can edit with confidence, knowing your work is protected. This is just the beginning of what Firefly can do for video editors, and I can't wait to see how this evolves. But remember, there are a few requirements which I will show you on the screen now. Just pause the video and read them. 2. Content credentials for Premiere Pro. Next, Adobe is introducing content credentials, a new way to protect your work and enhance transparency when exporting from Premiere Pro or Media Encoder after using Generative Extend. This tamper-evident metadata not only helps you get recognition for your creations and connect with others online, but also ensures the security of your work. It's a fantastic way to ensure your hard work gets the credit it deserves and stays protected. 3. Adobe Substance 3D Viewer Beta. Finally, if you're working with 3D elements, Adobe Substance 3D Viewer Beta is now integrated into Photoshop. You can view and edit 3D files within your Photoshop designs by adding them as smart objects. This makes working with 3D elements smoother and easier, especially for those of you who like to mix 2D and 3D in your designs. So there you have it. With Generative Extend in Premiere Pro, you can now easily add those extra frames to perfect your edits. At the same time, Generative Workspace and the Substance 3D Viewer in Photoshop give you more creative control and speed than ever before. If you're as excited as I am to try these new features, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what feature you can't wait to use. Your feedback is important, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Adobe tips, tricks, and updates. Thanks for watching. The download link for Adobe is in the description below, so grab it and start creating. See you in the next video.